Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so that anytime I drop video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. So without wasting our time, I don't want to edit this video. I just want to show you how you can navigate your earning using Bybit app. This is the Bybit. You can see it. Just go to Play Store and download it. I don't want this video to be on. You can see it on my screen right now. This is Bybit. So watch this video to the end and see how you can navigate your earning. You can earn 50k, you can earn 100k, you can earn 500k. It depends on how active you are on this system. So we have the home. If you click on home, but down below of the screen, you can see, just watch this video. You can play it at many times as you like so that you can get well equipped on how you can earn more on Bybit account, on Bybit app. So this is the trading, this is different trading stuff that is going on. We have the USDT, we have different coins here that you can easily buy and you can easily sell it. You buy, you sell. So you sell when the coins is increasing. This is what we call cryptos. Like, people are earning a lot on this platform. So you can see we have the P2P trading up there. You can see we have P2P trading, we have Bybit earning, we have conversion of, and we have a lot of more. So I wouldn't wait for our time. You can also deposit money here by clicking on top. If you click now, it will ask you which of the deposits you want to do. You see on deposit by crypto. Deposit by crypto simply means you have a coins or e-wallet that you have a coins already and you want to convert it. So P2P trading is talking about buying from other coin seller or other traders and all that. Is that you sell or you buy. You use P2P trading to do that. So these are the things. A lot of things is happening here. Let me hear your yes in the comment section if you are getting value right now. So aside that, we have the access. This access is talking about deposit, withdraw, transfer, and conversion. We have the access account, we have the USDT account, funding your wallet, and the rest. So these are the interface of Bybit account. So Bybit app. So the next thing for you to know is that a lot of things that you can easily earn. This is the market where you'll be seeing the survey of how the coins is being traded. Now your coins is increasing by percentage and all that, and which of the coins to buy. So this, we use the market to survey which coins is on the top surface of the market, which one to buy, which one not to buy. So these are the things that you need to take note of. Then we have the trade. The trade here, you see the buy, sell. Like I click now, you see the buy. Look at the USDT currency now, how it's been increasing and increasing. So the logarithm is telling us that the USDT is doing fantastic well based on the exchange as of today. So is that you sell, you buy, and all that. So if you want me to do more video on this, that you want to know more about this, just let me know in the comment section. Let me just know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also stay tuned to this channel, because on this channel we talk more on various ways you can navigate your earnings when it comes to the pink app. So when it comes to the Bybit account and any other apps. So do well to follow the host and do well to subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned to this channel. Until next time, if you want me to do more video on this, just let me know, because I don't want this video to be long. If you want me to do more video on this, just let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm telling you, you can earn 50k, you can earn 100k. It depends on how expert you are on this platform. There are a lot of cryptocurrency that you can buy and resell, and you can earn a lot of big amount of money, even in Nigeria, in Australia, in any part of the country you belong to. Bybit account is well known everywhere. So if you want me to do more video on this, just put it in the comment sections. And if you want to learn more, let me hear you. I want to learn more. Let the conversation continue in the comment section. Until next time, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that every time I drop video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. And not only that, don't forget to click on the notification button so that anytime I drop video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. And if you have gotten the value already on this just little drop and you want me to do more video on this, let me see it in the comment section so that I can be of help. Until next time, bye for now. Yeah.